Are you a team leader, broker, operating principal, or branch manager? Then I know that you want to recruit, train, and retain top talent. And even more importantly than that, probably in 2024, you want to get your team producing results. Sign up for a free training. We're going to give your team all the tools they need to take listings in 2024 and stay at a peak mindset. Daniel Fleischman, co-founder of Exponential Business Coaching, and we do the training Exponential Real Estate Results. We can come out to your market center or office in person, or we can do the training via Zoom. We have limited spots available. Click the link below. We'd love to come out to your market center and help your agents get exponential results. Check out our hundreds of testimonials over the past 2 or 3 years from agents that are literally creating exponential real estate results. Whether you want your agents to work with high net worth divorce and probate attorneys for a steady stream of listings, whether you want them to master relocation, whether you want to help them master their open houses, or whether you want to help them learn how to leverage their network to help you recruit so that they can increase their own personal income. Reach out to us. Again, team leaders, operating principals, brokers, branch managers. We can come out to your office or market center and do a training. We won't let you down. What are we going to teach you in the training? The secrets to get listings and for real estate success in 2024. We're going to teach your agents how to master lead generation without endless cold calling. We're going to teach you how to do this with no tech skills, even no social media skills. Okay? This works for new or seasoned agents, and we're going to teach your agents how to get listings like a pro. So click the link below and sign up for the Exponential Real Estate Results Blueprint training. We'll come out live to your market center or office, or we can do it via Zoom. We're excited to see you soon. Click the link below. Are you ready to get exponential real estate results? Click the link below. We'll see you soon. Let's go!